You are listening to Reading for You, hosted by Taoyuan ETRC. The book we are reading today is Over and Under the Rainforest. It is written by Kate Messner. I am Teacher Ryan.
And I am Maggie.
We will be guiding you through the reading today.
欢迎收听外师带你读绘本 Reading for You。今天我们要介绍的 SDG 书是 Over and Under the Rainforest。让我们一起来探索热带雨林的世界吧。而它的永续发展目标是陆地生态。
The book Over and Under the Rainforest is linked to the Sustainable Development Goals, aka SDGs, Life on the Land. It teaches us about the diverse ecosystem and animals that live all around us and make our world wonderful.
Oh, it is super hot recently.
It's so hot, and even though we have the air conditioning going, this podcast room feels like an oven.
I agree with you. Hey, I'm wondering, how's the weather in California?
The weather in California is also hot, but it's dry. It's not humid, so it doesn't feel as smothering as it does here in Taiwan, but it's hot.
Ah, got it. I really want to save my money for a trip to California.
I thought you were rich.
Well, thank you for that, but not richer than you.
I don't know about that.
So, let's talk about our book today. Why did you choose this book to share with us?
Well, Maggie, I am a lover of nature, and I also like reading about it. So not only do I enjoy exploring it myself, but I like to learn more about it. And this book, which is about the rainforest, brought a lot of the images of wild animals to life for me. So I was very excited with this one.
Can't wait to hear about it. 今天要介绍的这本书是在讲述热带雨林的世界。我们都知道，热带雨林是全世界生物最丰富而且最多样的一个地区，而它同时也兼具了调节气候的一个大工程。所以呢，今天要维护一个美好的地球，势必也要维护好我们的热带雨林。让我们一起跟着外师来探索一下今天这本热带雨林的故事书吧。
High in the canopy, a furry dark shadow clings to a branch. Tito lifts his hands to his mouth and sends a roar to the sky. The forest waits. Quiet. Then... comes the answer. A thunder of howler monkeys up in the trees. Then a sudden sharp snap, and I freeze in my tracks. A crack of a branch. A long, loud rustle. Then quiet again. Maybe it's a jaguar, waking to hunt. Night is her time for growling and prowling through the shadows of the rainforest floor. So, Maggie, what do you think we could learn from this?
I think nature is interesting. It can be quiet, can be dangerous or peaceful. And there are a lot of creatures that we might not know about, but they're all an important part of the land. And how about you, Teacher Ryan?
How about me?
Yep.
Okay, well, why Are there so many mysteries in our world? We go out into nature and we are continually surprised. And sometimes nature can be dangerous. A jaguar can jump out and bite your neck and drag you into the bushes and eat you. But probably not. Nature is wild. It's our activity time!
In the worksheet, you write down one of the words that the teacher is going to introduce and answer both the teacher and your solution to the book's SDG. Teacher Ryan, please tell us your 3 favorite words.
My 3 favorite words starts with growling. Growling.
Growling, 咆哮的。
And the second word is slender. Slender.
Slender, 苗条的。
And the last one is gurgle. Gurgle.
Gurgle, 咯咯声。 That's good to know. Please make a sentence with slender.
But I want to do gurgle.
Okay, then just do the gurgle.
Okay, I'll do slender. Teacher Ryan has become more slender since he moved to Taiwan.
Also, the book's SDG is Life on the Land. So, my question of the day is, if you're going to a rainforest, what stuff should you bring?
Well, you got to make sure that you are protected by insects because the insects in the rainforest are massive and a lot of them are very poisonous. You do also have to worry about crocodiles and jaguars, so you might want to take a really big gun. No, I'm just kidding, kids. Do not play with guns. But seriously, protect yourself.
Exactly.
We can't wait to see your worksheet. Write down your answers and send your worksheet to the Google form. You will probably win a big prize. You know why? Because I found out very few people are sending in their worksheet. So if you do it, you will probably have a very good chance of getting it. Can't guarantee, but you just might. For more information, please visit Taoyuan ETRC Facebook or website.
感谢同学们今天的收听。学习单的投稿连结我们一样放在桃园市英语教学资源中心的脸书或是官方网站。只要投稿一次，就有一次的抽奖机会，说不定下一次的得奖者就是你哦。
Thank you so much for reading with us today. We love sharing the magic world of books with you. The book we shared in this episode is Over and Under the Rainforest by Kate Messner. Now it's your turn to read and discover the fun of reading. We'll be back in a little while with a new story connected to our SDGs goals. I am Teacher Ryan.
And I am Maggie.
Happy reading!
See you next week.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
This program is sponsored and produced by Taoyuan ETRC. Department of Education, Taoyuan.